Rightio. Question 5. Question 5. Question 5. Select the right values for the internal force experienced in member DE. So it's this member here that we're interested in. So the previous question, obviously method of joints is the way to go. This question, obviously the way to go is method of sections. So one of each type of kind of question you should expect. Pause your video and give it a go with method of sections. Now hopefully you've chosen an answer. So we're going to cut this in half through the DE and then decide which section we're going to keep. Now because I've got a lot of forces here on the left, normally I would keep the left section, but I've got these two forces, another force here, another force here. Here I've only got two forces to worry about, so I'm going to keep, actually in this case, the right hand section is the best one to keep. So I've got that member has been cut, that member's been cut, that member's been cut. So I'm drawing this one, and this one. Right, so that is DF. This is DE. This is CE. Okay. And we want to draw the framework in. We don't want to have any more internal forces. I'm not interested in them because they haven't been cut, so they're not exposed. But we want to draw in our external forces that have been applied. So we've got a 40 here. And what's RGY? So I'm going to have to go back for my previous questions and find what RGY was. Going back to question 3, I think. So RGY was 28 point, I think it was 888, wasn't it? Right, so that is 28.9. So we'll put in 28.9 here. Right, so that's the framework that we need to find. What actual member we're looking for? DE. So what you notice with DE is it's the only one that's kind of vaguely pointing upwards. So therefore, the way to solve this is resolve your forces upwards. That's the way to pick out DE by himself. So if we resolve forces upwards, remember that's going to be theta. And what did we have for theta? So all of this you can sort of pre-prep, go back to your previous. So cos theta is 3/5, sine theta is 4/5. So let's put in that. So we've got cos theta is 3/5, sine theta is 4/5 if I need it. So I want to resolve upwards. I'm not going to swing through theta to go point upwards, so therefore I'm committing a sin. So I'm going to do DE sine theta. What else can I see pointing upwards? Nothing. Oh, yeah, I can see this pointing upwards. 28.9 is pointing upwards. What can I see pointing downwards? Well, 40 is pointing downwards. So DE equals, don't forget your signs, so 40 on the right hand side, take away 28.9 divided by sine theta, but I know that sine theta is 4/5. So we've got 40 take away 28.9 divided by 4 divided by 5. And that gives me 13.9. It's a positive number, so I'm expecting it to be in tension. So do I have a 13.9 in tension? Yeah, I can see one there. So I'm going to choose B.